Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre,
and this is
Divas
Divas
Realm,
Realm Cards
Toys,
and
Travel,
Travel. Today we're going to
Perfect Order. I meant
open.
open Perfect Order.
So, kanina, I opened one perfect order. We bought it in Minuso.
Spoiler
So,
alert, there was no hits.
there was no hit if you saw our video. But now we're going to open another two. So, will be two-pack battle. So, Andre, you choose one. Okay. So, I'm going to again, I'm going to open
Another Clefairy.
Clefairy. No, Mega Clefairy yan eh.
Ay,
So, si Meow.
ito.
So,
Regular
bato mo si
Meow.
Mauna. Bato. Pick. Okay, ikaw mauna.
I thought if
So,
whoever wins.
hopefully we got something good because when I open the pack, uy, hindi ganyan. Hindi ka marunong.
Yes. I'm used to open regular packs. I got Mega Starmie instead
ano,
of Meow.
hopefully we got Starmie kasi si Starmie, one other chaser Starmie iba Meow. I'm looking for that Meow.
If you're looking for the
And
Meow,
some Pokepads.
why?
Siyempre, para
If
makakrate.
you're looking for the Meow, why are you saying you hope you're gonna
Andre's
get Mega
first
Starmie?
pack.
Last
Perfect
pack.
order. Sige,
Last pack.
go.
Scatterbug.
Di kita. Yan.
Ito yung kakapapilo.
Snorlax.
Blue. White.
Yung cold card ah. Esper.
Cat.
Probopass.
Big nose.
Big no. Yay! Pokepad! Yes!
Why do you want Pokepad?
Playable to. Akin na. Tago natin kasi kailangan ko. Hippowdon. Turtonator.
Fire Turtle.
Turtonator.
One of the legendary ninja
Nagmahal na
turtles.
pala ang packs ng Pokemon, 319 pesos na siya isa.
One of the legendary ninja turtles,
No.
the red one, the one who controls fire.
Andre.
Staryu.
Staryu Hollow. Wala.
Ano yung Pokemon?
Iba yan, Starmie yun.
Saan yung pack? Hindi, yung
Sige,
evolution.
Isa pa. And kung may hit, wala.
Why is this energy so big?
Okay.
At least we got a
Wala.
At least we got a Pokepad though.
Yeah, Pokepad.
What's
But
Pokepad?
playable kasi siya sa TCG. Okay, my second pack. Oh,
Wait,
same.
you mean
Same.
you mean your last pack?
Anyway,
Wait,
sa mga nakakuha nung release nung last Friday, congratulations, nakakuha kayo. Hopefully, lahat nakakuha.
Pikachu will bless this.
Bless mo. Okay.
Rat. Let's call it a purple rat.
Dartrix.
Bird that looks like a coconut.
Honedge.
Hunter. I mean hunter. Butterfly.
Drapiont. And this water. Tyrant. Oh! Gold Star.
Yo, I was looking for that.
Gold Star, Clefairy.
I knew you shouldn't pick the Clefairy. I know you shouldn't.
And, okay. Wait. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng,
Pikachu actually blessed
kailangan natin ng, siyempre, perfect sleeve. Para
all hail Pikachu. All hail. He's sleeping. Why? He's the one who blessed that pack.
Teka lang, nasira tuloy isa. So, wait. Centering is good. Ay, hindi. Top heavy siya. Medyo top heavy siya. Anyway.
We don't have money for PSA, remember that.
And wala naman akong plano. Pero at least we have to protect it.
Why are you thinking that centers? Good.
Wala na. Isip ko lang check.
We're not gonna
So,
gonna
double
put,
sleeve tayo. Some perfect fit and some penny
we're not
sleeve
gonna put that
or
in
standard
PSA.
fit.
We're not gonna put that in PSA.
Ooh, so I won. Technically, I won, right?
Let's open some
Third
cookie.
pack. Third pack. Meron tayong na-hit.
It's
Alright?
because you opened 2 packs and I only opened 1.
Anyway,
So let me open 1 again.
perfect order. This is the set for the player. So, hopefully, makabili lahat. Walang sanang scalper or reseller maka-ano. And congratulations sa lahat ng mga nakabili. Again, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And this is
Divas
Divas Realm. Card
Toys.
and
Travel.
travel. God bless and see
When
you
will
next
we
time.
travel again?
I hope soon.